As the pressures for improved environmental performance and economic outcomes increase, we're seeing more regulation, we're seeing more incentives, and we're seeing more consumer desire for these integrated outcomes. And this is the big opportunity for the environmental engineer. What we've seen in the past decade is that energy has become core business for environmental engineers. This is because there are more compliance requirements and there are more opportunities in this energy space. And at the same time, we've recognised that energy has a key role in so many aspects of environmental issues that it can't be ignored or treated separately.
So when conducting energy efficiency assessments, it's really important to identify all the opportunities that are out there, but then really evaluate the ones that are the most important. And that might be really different from assessment to assessment. You need to focus on not just what the amount of energy that you're saving is, but also the savings that are good for the project, that are easy to implement, the ones that are most likely to be implemented, and then proceed with those ones in that order.
This project focused on the upgrade of 2 existing wastewater treatment plants located at Proserpine and Cannonvale along the Whitsunday coast in Queensland. The Infrastructure Sustainability Rating Tool, developed by the Infrastructure Sustainability Council of Australia, was used in the design stage to identify and implement energy efficiency opportunities for the upgrade project.
The Whitsunday Sewerage Treatment Plant upgrade has been certified by EEERE for an excellent IS design rating, with 10X undertaking the design and construction for Whitsunday Regional Council.
There was a number of critical design outcomes included in the final design to help achieve the IS rating. The 10X design incorporates state-of-the-art technology, including enhanced membrane technology, biological nutrient removal, chemical nutrient removal, and mechanical sludge dewatering. The reduced electricity consumption was achieved by a number of changes to the reference design, including a more efficient aeration philosophy and lower equipment run times. We also included the most energy efficient blowers and pumps that we could find, and included energy efficient design and fixtures into the buildings.
10X performed well in the area of materials by lowering the environmental footprint of the project through using cement with 30% fly ash content and eliminating asphalt from the design.
In total, we reduced construction materials by almost 5,000 tonnes, including concrete, steel and other materials.
We set out to counter the common view that sustainability always costs more. What we actually found was that we're able to deliver better sustainability outcomes that will deliver savings across the project's life cycle.
As a result of the energy efficiency strategies that were identified, the design will achieve estimated energy savings of over 300 megawatt hours of electricity per year compared to typical plant designs, saving $75,000 annually in ongoing operational costs.
My name's Paul Brady. I'm the Engineering Manager of Northern Operations for Carlton United Breweries at Yatala Brewery. Funnily enough, energy and water are tied very closely together in the brewing industry, because everywhere you use water, you use energy to do something with it, whether it's to chill it or whether it's to heat it or boil it or whatever. So there's a very tight relationship between water and electricity and steam. To get the brewing water that we require, we need to have demineralised water. We had an anion-cation demineralisation system, and at the time we were getting into the drought, and the water hardness and the water quality was getting worse. So we had to double the size of the plant, which means we need to double the size of the demineralisation plant, the anion-cation system. The running costs and chemicals was going to be horrendous. So what we elected to do is to do a comparison between that technology and reverse osmosis technology. And reverse osmosis was 40% cheaper. The other thing that we've identified too is that the water systems get pumped everywhere. So there's a pumping cost. And the electricity pumping costs are up very high with regards to where the total electricity bill is on the plant. We now rank ourselves in one of the best breweries in Australia with regards to energy management and water. That is, we're very proud of the work that we've done in that area. So we're saving approximately $2 or $3 million a year on our water treatment that we would have been paying if we had had the council treat our water. We treat all our water. So those costs are not coming to us. So again too, that's where we've done a return on investment story. We've put a plant in that does a certain duty or function, and it saves the actual running costs of the plant.